Greetings, travelers! On this video, we want to represent to you our top choice of place to go to while in Vancouver. Are you new to this channel? We would like to greet you welcome. And if you are a regular subscriber, we would like to greet you welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment on the comment section and give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to check our other video reference on the link above. Now without further ado, our number 5 choice for top place to visit in Vancouver will be BD Biodiversity Museum. The BD Biodiversity Museum is a natural history museum in Vancouver, Canada, located on the campus of the University of British Columbia. Its 20,000 square feet of collections and exhibit space were first opened to the public on October 16, 2010. Since then, it has received over 35,000 visitors per year. Its collections include over 2 million specimens collected between 1910 and present, comprising the colon tetrapod collection, the marine invertebrate collection, the fossil collection, the herbarium collection, the Spencer Entomological Collection. The collection focuses in particular on the species of British Columbia Yukon and the Pacific Coast. The museum's most prominent display is a 25-meter skeleton of a female blue whale, buried in Tignish, Prince Edward Island, which is suspended over the ramp leading to the main collection. Our number 4 choice for top place to visit in Vancouver will be John Henry Park, a 27-hectare park in the city of Vancouver. It's operated by the Vancouver Park Board and the Grandview Community Association. Locals often refer to the park informally as Trout Lake, due to the lake itself being its largest feature. It's a focal point of the Cedar Cottage neighborhood. The park was one of Vancouver's first lumbering operations in the late 19th century. The lake was the water source for Hastings Sawmill, which was owned by the industrialist John Henry. In 2010, the new ice rink and renovation were completed for the 2010 Winter Olympics as a training venue for figure skating, with contribution from various sources. The total cost of the ice rink is estimated at $15.9 million. Our number 3 choice for top place to visit in Vancouver will be the H.R. Macmillan Space Center, an astronomy museum located at Vanier Park in Vancouver. The museum was opened on October 28, 1968, containing a planetarium star theater. Today, the museum includes an exhibit gallery and demonstration theater, where public lectures and events are hosted. The museum shares the building with the Museum of Vancouver. Next to the building is the Gordon Macmillan Southern Observatory. The Space Center is named after H.R. Macmillan, a local lumber magnate and philanthropist who paid for the inclusion of the Planetarium Theater into the design of the Centennial Museum building. To this day, locals also refer to the Space Center as the Planetarium. Outside the museum is a sculpture by George Norris called the Crab. Norris' sculpture won a 1967 design competition. The Space Center originated as the H.R. Macmillan Planetarium until its rebranding in the 1990s, when it expanded to include exhibit space into one of the wings of the building it shares with the Museum of Vancouver. The facility was refurbished and renovated to include Space Center exhibit space in 1997 by Matsuzaki Wright, architect. Our number 2 choice for top place to visit in Vancouver will be the Vancouver Art Gallery, or VAG, an art museum in Vancouver. The museum occupies a 15,300 square meter building adjacent to Robson Square in downtown Vancouver, making it the largest art museum in Western Canada by size. Designed by Francis Roddenberry, the building museum presently occupies was originally opened as a provincial courthouse before it was repurposed for museum. The building was designated as the former Vancouver Law Court's National Historic Site of Canada. The Vancouver Art Gallery's permanent collection serves as a repository of art for the Lower Mainland region and has approximately 12,000 works by artists from Canada and around the world. In addition to exhibiting works from its collection, the museum has also organized and hosted a number of traveling arts exhibitions. Our number one choice for top place to visit in Vancouver will be the Capilano Suspension Bridge Park, a simple suspension bridge crossing the Capilano River in the district of North Vancouver. The current bridge is 140 meters long and 70 meters above the river. It is part of a private facility with an admission fee and draws over 1.2 million visitors per year. The bridge was originally built in 1889 by George Grant Mackay, a Scottish civil engineer and park commissioner for Vancouver. It was originally made of hemp ropes with a deck of cedar planks and was replaced with a wire cable bridge in 1903. The bridge was completely rebuilt in 1956. The park was sold to Nancy Stibart, the current owner, in 1983. Annual attendance increased, and in May 2004, Treetops Adventures was opened, consisting of 7-foot bridges suspended between old-growth Douglas fir trees on the west side of the canyon, forming a walkway up to 30 meters above the forest floor. The bridge has been featured as a setting in episodes of several television series including MacGyver, Sliders, The Crow, Stairway to Heaven, and Sunk. In June 2019, Korean pop group NCT 127 created a video of their visit to Capilano Suspension Bridge as part of the social media documenting their world tour NCT 127, The Origin. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have enjoyed making it. Please check out as well our other videos and our Instagram Scenic.Geek. Until next time, bye!